Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CCH Axcess Tax for collaboration and e-file, full guide step by step clearly. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Proceed by clicking the Submit or Next button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your registration. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the CCH Axcess Tax website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. To access collaboration tools, navigate to the Collaboration section in the menu. Follow the prompts to set up your preferences for collaboration. For e-filing, go to the e-file section in the dashboard. Ensure you have all necessary documents prepared for filing. Follow the instructions to input your tax information. Review your entries for accuracy before submitting. Once everything is set, click the e-file button to submit your tax return. After e-filing, you will receive confirmation of your submission. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your filing status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.